Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to share a story with specific people on Facebook using your PC. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on Create Story, located at the top of your news feed. Step 3. Locate and click on the settings icon from the left-hand menu. Step 4. From the options displayed, select Custom. Step 5. Check the box next to the desired people or groups whom you want to share your story with, and then click on Save. Step 6. Now, you can proceed to add your desired story. That's it. You've successfully shared a story with specific people on Facebook using your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.